Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by reproducing the crash and observing exact behavior each time. Check the game log and Windows Event Viewer for error codes and timestamps. Confirm your system is 64-bit and has at least 4 GB of available RAM. Note the exact crash moment and any loaded mods, scripts, or textures that run when instability appears. Save screenshots or short video clips to document the error. This helps you compare changes after each fix and avoids undoing successful steps. First, run SAMP as administrator and enable Windows compatibility mode if needed. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables, including x86 and x64 files to fix runtime errors. Verify GTA San Andreas integrity or reinstall the game to restore clean files. Remove third-party mods and custom Clio scripts that often conflict with multiplayer. Clear the SAMP cache folder and delete server-specific AMPs or temp files that reference removed resources. Update GPU drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to ensure compatibility with SAMP. Set a 4 GB virtual memory page file to reduce out-of-memory crashes on low RAM systems. Limit textures and streamed objects in menu or server settings, and cap FPS to 60 to reduce instability. Use a clean user profile and disable overlays like Xbox Game Bar and Discord overlay that inject into the process. If crashes persist, check server-side scripts or contact the server admin with your error log details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.